Now, there are 3 eligibility requirements that we have to discuss. First, your business must have at least 1 W-2 employee and fewer than 500 employees. Most people have fewer than 500 employees. Now, unfortunately, your own employment wages don't count. And second, you have to have been in business since February 15th, 2020. And third, you need to be able to certify either a revenue reduction or that your business was impacted by the pandemic. The most straightforward way here is the revenue reduction route. So for 2021, the requirement is quarterly revenue reduction of 20% or more when compared to the same quarters in 2019. So you'd be comparing like Q1 to Q1. For 2020, the requirement is a quarterly revenue reduction of 50% or more when compared to the same quarters in 2019. So for both 2020 and 2021, you're comparing to 2019 before the pandemic. However, if you don't hit the revenue reduction criteria, you can still use the alternate method. If your business was impacted from the pandemic in any way, including delays in supply chain, changed hours, lowered capacity, canceled meetings, or any disruption, you are eligible for this without showing that revenue reduction. And this is all in the fine print. And the good news is this means nearly all businesses with employees are eligible for this program. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, make sure you subscribe to the main channel as well right here.